Hello everyone, my name is Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making barbecue salmon. Let's go! These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my meal today. Pink salt, ginger, paprika, garlic powder, black pepper, parsley flakes, seasoned salt, scallion, thyme, onion, garlic, tomato, sweet peppers, Scotch bonnet pepper, olive oil, and the salmon. I'll be washing my salmon with lemon and white vinegar. I'm gonna remove the skin from the salmon. I don't like using the skin, so remove the skin. This is the way I do it. You have to be a little gentle because then you'll remove the salmon with the meat, with the fish, with the whatever. Okay, so this. Then after I remove the skin, I'm gonna give it another wash with the lemon. So this is the skin which I remove. So let I go and wash it. Now I'm gonna cut them the way I want to, like not too small, and set them in my container, and then I'm gonna be season them in the same container as well. And remember to always wash your fish with lemon. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna slice this lemon really thin, like thin, and place it on the bottom of the fish. So let's do it this way. It's not a lot, just like a piece to each slice. I'm gonna put the skin, take the seeds out. Lemon. Okay, so the lemon is under. So now I'm gonna put my powdered season. This is the seasoned salt and it. This is my powdered ground ginger. Black pepper. Seasoned garlic powder. I love garlic. Garlic powder. And this is gonna only be the dry or the powdered seasoning. I'm gonna make my sauce, my barbecue sauce, to pour in it. So just the parsley flakes, and then paprika, and this is just for coloring. Now I'm gonna put a little olive oil on it. Pour a little olive oil, and I'm gonna just kind of rub it up. Each one, take one. Okay, so this is how I season my salmon to barbecue. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 5-10 minutes, and I'm gonna do it open. Now I'm not gonna put a file paper over it, so I want it to catch the color as well. And then I'm gonna put my sauce in it in the oven, and then we should be good. This is what my garlic looks like after it's crushed up, just like that. So that's what I'm gonna put in my sauce. Okay, so this is one, and I'm gonna cut my onion. And always remember to pre-wash your whatever you're cooking, doesn't matter what. So what you can wash, you wash it. Okay, put it in here. So I'm gonna make this sauce on top of the stove, and then I'm gonna pour it in on my I'm gonna leave the green for a little garnishing. So let's see right there. Now my peppers. Cut it like this. Cut the seeds in there as well. Just doesn't matter. Okay. Put this here. For sure, I'm not gonna burst my scotch bonnet because yet. And then my tomato. Like this. I'm making like a paste sauce. So everything gonna be dissolved in the sauce. Okay. And my thyme is right here. So what I'm gonna do is not so hard, it's soft thyme, so I'm gonna just put it in, and then the harder part I just take it off. That's it. I'm gonna start to make my sauce, and here I'm gonna pour a little olive oil in my pot, and the purpose of this is to saute my vegetable and herbs that it can't dissolve to make my sauce. It have to be well cooked, and everything is gonna be smashed out to sauce level. Here it is. Everything. Oh, my celery is in there. Let me take out my celery. This is how I make it myself. My ketchup, my barbecue sauce, my onion, and it comes to a boil. So my vegetable and herbs is sauteing. So now I'm gonna add my powdered seasoning, which I didn't add before. Instead of sugar, I'm gonna add some honey in my sauce. I know a lot of people put sugar in their sauce, but I'm gonna do honey. And so, okay. This is about 5 minutes from finishing. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my sauce in it. So my sauce is done, very thick. So I'm gonna put my sauce in it, and put it back in the oven for about another 5 minutes, and it should be ready. Here I'm going to put my sauce and douse it in the sauce. Barbecue salmon. This is the finished product of my barbecue salmon. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!